All right, we're going to unbox the E7 wireless headphones. I love the way this box is made, and on the back you can see it talks about some of the features, the noise cancellation, the exciting lifelike sound, superior comfort, up to 30 hours of nonstop music. Now what they've done too for the box, in order to get into it, we have got to cut this here. So I am going to use my trusty little knife here. We're going to cut that. Move that out of the way. And then, let's see, how is it? This is going to, oh, I'm going to cut both sides. So that it's both. I thought it was going to like slip open or something. So let's do that. And then we will get that. Ooh, those look cool. All right, so you got your instructions. Make sure you look those over. What does it come with? It's packed in here really nicely too. We've got a headphone to headphone jack. So let's say the battery on this dies, or you're on a plane and you've got an easy way just to plug in. You can use these as regular headphones without having to worry about being charged or connected to Bluetooth. And then it will be your charging cable to charge it. Plug it into any kind of USB that you have, and then, man, these look awesome. They're so I love the chrome is so cool looking. These are super soft, like incredibly soft. The padding up here is very soft. I have a set of these in red as well. I've gotten these as a gift for someone, and so I like the black look of them. These are very comfortable if you want to extend it. If you got a big head like I do, you'll just pull these out and you can go pretty good size. Make sure you store them. You're probably going to want them like that. I do like that these fold over, so if you want to put them in a bag, they're kind of flat in nature, so they're easier to store. You want to be careful storing them like this because you might actually pop this up here, but if you put them in flat into something, they're good to go. So that is the unboxing of these E7 wireless headphones. Super comfortable. These are complete noise canceling. Like, you cannot, even with hardly any sound on, any music on, you can't hear anybody around you because of the way these are made.